Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com, RedlineAutosports.com. This is our latest 69 Camaro. It's a factory hugger orange car. It's got a Vortex 350, ice cold air, Edelbrock carb, X11, true code 7272 and 727. Bolt through heads for the Vortex, and it's got an air gap intake. The vintage air works great. It's ice cold. Car starts and runs really well. We're going to turn the headlights on. Okay. Right signal, left signal. Okay, there we go. We'll walk around and do the backside. Left signal, right signal. Yes sir, they all work. Solid original trunk pan with original spatter paint. Stripes go right where they're supposed to, and the jams are painted all the way down. Original quarters, original floors. Just a nice solid car. It's got the bumperettes for the previous owner. It says it's an SS. It has 12-volt rear end and multi-leaf rear spring, dual exhaust, power steering, power disc brakes. And of course they add on there. Has some nice size meats on the Cobra radial details. It is a factory code 72 hugger orange, as we stated earlier. 727 ivory white interior. There's the wipers working, they work great. It's tach and gauges. 350 4-speed, awesome car. Dome light works. She is in the box and ready to go. All new weather strip, new paint, nice tires and wheels. Doors shut excellent. All the gaps and lines are right. A very nice, clean car that's done the way it was done at the factory. Front disc brakes, rear drums. These bumperettes tell you it was a factory 4-speed car and an SS. Check out our website at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a best, bright, beautiful day.